Hello everyone, my name is Inyaman Chandrawalaka. Now I will explain about image operation in MATLAB. First, I want explain about setting our directory in MATLAB. Before starting work in MATLAB, you need to make adjustment to the directory, which will the reference of or source of image data retrieval. Therefore, you can find the location of the directory using Windows Explorer and do a copy on the panel directory path as shown below. After successfully retrieving the directory location using Windows Explorer, then you need to type the command cd path directory in the command window and hit enter. If successful, the same image will appear on the current folder panel display with folder in Windows Explorer. You can see an example in the following image. After that, I will explain reading an image and inspecting its pixel. Now we will try to create a variable in the MATLAB application. All you have to do is type the command nama variable equals nilai variable. For example, if we want to create several variables, namely d, r, e, and f, which contain a numeric value, then we need to write the code as follow in the command window. And then don't forget to press enter every time we finish writing one variable. For example, d equals 3, r equals 1, e equals 4, f equals r plus e. The result of writing this command can be seen in the image below. In the workplace panel, you can also see some of variable that we have created and their values. Then if we want to clean the command window panel, we can do it by typing the command clc and pressing enter to execute the command. Meanwhile, if we want to clear one of the variable that have been created, the command used is clear name variable. Meanwhile, to remove all variable, you can use the clear all command. Okay, now we will try to save the image into a variable. The trick is to write the command name underscore variable equals imread name underscore variable dot extension file and hit the enter. The selected image must be in the directory that we specified earlier, and the name of the image must be included with the extension file name. Example, I equals imread 101567.jpg. This code will create a variable I was content in the 101567.jpg. This code will create a variable I was content in the 101567.jpg image .imread image read in the default command for reading image. Currently in the workplace panel, we already have a variable I with of the value variable a with the value 180 times 1080 times 1920 times 3. You win 8. This value means that the image in variable a is 180 rows times 100 sorry Currently, the workplace panel, we already a variable a with the value 1080 times 1920 times 3 in 8. This value means that the image in variable a is 1080 rows times 1920 columns and has three channels, namely red, green, and blue. Whereas UN8 indicate the store data is 8-bit binary in the pixel on its channel. The next, we will try to display the image that we have saved in a variable. You can do this by using the command imshow name underscore variable and pressing enter. Example, imshow a. To get index information from image, the command are as follow. Size a. This command is used to display information about the number of rows, columns, and channels of an image. Row equals size a1. The meaning of this command is that requests the first index data from an image, namely the number of rows. Cols equals size in the command to get the second index data from the image, namely the numbers of columns. Channels equals size is a command to get the third index data from the image, namely the number of channels. Size row col channels is a command to combine all value in row, col, and channel variable that have been previously created. Next, to inspect the pixel value of a point in the image, we need the im tool name underscore variable command. In the image below, if we type im tool a new window will appear, namely the image tool. Then when we click the second icon from the left under the file menu, image tool, a pixel region window will appear, which function to display a value of each channel RGB at a point in the image. The last, grayscaling image. Next, we will change from color image grayscale. The command that we must run at the beginning are a underscore RGB equals imread 101567.jpg code to store image in a underscore RGB variable. imshow a underscore RGB code to display image in a underscore RGB variable. A underscore gray equals RGB to gray. A underscore RGB code to change the A underscore RGB color image to grayscale and save it in the gray underscore variable. After you run some of the code above, you can see the result in the image below. On the workplace panel, you can see that the A underscore gray variable is already filled with an image with one channel and the size is 1080 times 1920. Unlike the variable A underscore RGB has three channels, 1080 times 1920 times 3. This shows that the A underscore gray variable only has one channel which contains a grayscale image. To see the conversion result from the image store on I underscore RGB, we can type the imshow code I underscore RGB. imshow code I underscore gray. We can also inspect the value of each pixel of the image using the IM tool code I_gray. In the image below, you can see that each pixel contains only one value. Range from 0 as dark or black values to 255 as light or white values. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, my friend. We'll example the material about the first graceful imagery. Good morning, sir. Good morning, my friend. We'll example the material about the first graceful imagery. Complement image, negative image. A negative image is a image from each pixel fall in the computation of the original image for break in the original example by in the negative of the images is example of equalizing the pixel fall of negative images of in the image flow. Example: the following example on the MATLAB Go programming application programming completing image negative image. Array image. Example: the recon of digital image by entertainment by analyzing the frame structure of the pixel fall on the histogram. The following is an example of the lab GUI expressing histogram on version type of digital images. In the his type of RGB image, the histogram is example of the score example, namely the red cancel, the green cancel, and the blue cancel. In the graceful image type is histogram. Histogram only a color I can fit gray different in the histogram example in only black on the color cancel. The MATLAB GUI display of referencing digital images histogram is full of image histogram. Example: share 3 color model and image histogram. The RGB color model consists on the color components, namely the red, green, or blue computation. The complete for cleansing RGB images of image football figure in floor. Example: the creation of image can be solved from so and reported over time on potential.
Okay, the next I can tell about rotation and image and histogram equalization. Okay, the first I can presentation about rotation and image. Rotation and image, apart from cartoon and image, we will also perform a process called rotation. Rotation is the process of rotation an image by the degree that we determine based on the center point of an image. Here are the steps. The first step, we must create same I'm read and papers.png. Read, this is about read an image and store it in a variable. The second step, we create e_g same RGB to gray. This is convert a color image to grayscale. The third step, we create i_rotate I'm rotate. This is rotate a grayscale image of 90 days and save in the variable i_rotate. The finally step, we create I'm so I underscore rotate. This is display the rotates image. Okay, next I can talk about histogram equalization. Histogram is equalization. The process of setting the incentive value can be done automatically by using the equalization histogram. The histogram equation involves transforming the intensity values so that the output image histogram roughly matches the specific histogram. By default, the histogram equalization command is high stack. Histogram equalization resale image to equalize the resale image histogram. You must perform the following step. This is the step number 1. We create I'm read resale 1.png. This is read the image and store in it a variable. 2. We create equalization same high stack. This is command to equalization the histogram of a resale image and save it in a variable. Number 3, subplot 131. I'm so title original resale. Form a subplot containing there's image in one row, then display the image initial resale before the histogram equalization process and provide label. And the next, number 4, subplot 132. I'm so equalization title histogram equalization. Form a subplot containing their image in one row, then display the resale image after the histogram process equalization and giving label. And the next, number 5, subplot 133. I'm his equalization title histogram of equalization image. From a subplot contain their image in S or row, then display the histogram of the image that has been processed histogram equalization. Okay, this is my presentation. For all, we say thank you. I say thank you. Okay.